I'm David, and today we'll be learning about Introduction to Java Programming. So, we'll be learning what the hell is Java, why is Java, and how is Java. Let's begin. So, today our learning outcomes are describe it and discuss Java's story, technology features, and requirements, and differentiate applet and application. Let's begin. So, what is Java? Java was created in 1991 by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, Patch Norton of Sun Microsystems. First, it was called GreenTalk, and the file extension was GT. After that, it was called Oak, and was developed as a part of a green project. It was name cha- its name was changed to Java because there's already a language called Oak. Inspired by Java coffee from Indonesia, the name was chosen because it was short, unique, and easy to remember. In fact, in 1995, Time magazine recognized Java as one of the best production in that year. Java is more than a programming language. It is also an environment building and running programs. It became popular because it is simple, secure, and platform independent, meaning it can run different devices without needing to be rewritten. It can also be object oriented, portable, reliable, which makes it useful in many areas of programming. Next, according to James Gosling, Java was one of the top choices with Silk. But as I said earlier, Java was really unique. So the team members preferred Java than the other names. Next, so these are the Java version history. Number 1, JDK Alpha and Beta. Number 2, JDK 1.0 in 23rd January 1996. Number 3, JDK 1.1 19th of February 1997. Number 4, J2 SE 1.2 18th December in 1998. Number 5, J2 SE 13 in the 18th May of 2000s. Number 6, JJ2 SE 1.4 6th of February 2002. Number 5, J2 SE 5.5 13th of September 2004. Number 6, Java SE 6 11th of December 2006. Number 9, Java SE 28th of July 2011. Number 10, Java SE 8 18th March of 2014. Number 11, Java SE 9 21st September of 2017. Number 12, Java SE 10 20th March 2018. Next, so what is the first project developed using Java? One of the first projects developed using Java was called Star 7. It was a personal handheld remote control and was part of the Green Project, which it was the original project where Java was created. This shows that Java was first designed not for computers, but also for small devices that needed simple, reliable, portable softwares. So, what is Java technology? Technology. Sorry, I'm kind of tired right now. Let's begin. So, Java technology is a programming language, a development environment, an application environment, a deployment environment. So, this is where you program, develop an application, and deploy one. So, these are the Java features. Number one, object oriented. Java uses objects and classes to organize code, making it easier to use and understand. Number two, it is pretty simple. Java is easier to learn and to use compared to other programming language. Number three, it is really secure. It protects programs from viruses and harmful code. Number four, platform independent. There are two types of platform independent. Number one, software based. Number two, hardware based. So, what is platform independent? Java programs can run on any system with JVM without rewriting a code. Number 5. Robust. Java is strong and less likely to crash because of its error handling system. Number 6. Portable. It is pretty portable because it can be used on different devices without changing anything. Number 7. Architectural neutral. Java is not typed to any specific computer type or hardware. Number 8. Dynamic. Java can adjust and link and run line by the JVM. Number 9. Interpreted. Java code is read and run line by line by the JVM. Number 10. High performance. Java runs faster than many other languages because of efficient bytecode. Number 11. Multi-threaded. Java can do many tasks at the same time in one program. Number 12. Distributed. Java can easily work with programs across a network or the internet. Next. God fucking damn it. Java Development Environment. Installing JDK Java Development Kit produces several folders in your system. Each of these folders holds a permanent file that would necessary in building your program. For instance, the bin folder contains Java executable files for compiling your program. So here is a development environment. As you can see, the J2 SDK 1.4.0 is connected to bin, demo, docs, include JRE, and LIB. Java Programming Cycle. Java Programming Cycle. The Java Programming Cycle starts when we write our code in a text editor, and it saves it as a point Java file. After that, the compiler translates this code into bytecode, which is stored in point class file. The bytecode is then read by Java Virtual Machine or JVM, which acts like a translator between our program and the computer. Finally, JVM executes the program, and as we can see the result like printing text or running instruction on the screen. Next, a Java programming cycle. So this is one of the programming cycle in Java. Of course, you put the class hello QCU and the main and the public static void main string args and then the bracket and then something that you will print system out print ln hello QCU, and then the code will compile that into the computer and it will translate and print hello QCU. Baliktad pala. Next, so there can be used to create two types of programs. First one, we have the applet, special application designed to run within the context of a web browser. So applet is when you code, but you need a web browser. It relies only on Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, and many more. And then we have application, standalone program that does not need a browser to run. As the text say, it doesn't need any browser. It can own standalone. Like when you program something, it will appear automatically in your app. Next, Java program structure. In the Java programming language, a program is made up of one and more classes. A class contains one or more methods. A method contains program statements. A Java application always contains a method called main. When you need to execute the main method, the JVM loads the class and invokes the main method of this class. The method main must be declared public and static and void. I'm sorry, it's a little mistype. A source file may have one or more classes. Only one class matching the file name at most may be declared public. Organizing your Java application. Java application is composed of a set of files generally distributed in a directorial structure. Source code, file name Java. Second, class file, class name, point class equals same with file name. The compiler searches for a class file when it encounters a reference to to a class in a point Java file. The interpreter during runtime searches the class files. Both compiler and the interpreter search on the class files in the list of directories listed in the class path variable. So this is the example of source code in Java. As I said earlier, the class should be made public. As we can see here, it stated the text file public class and then the name, which is hello world. And then we have the main method, which we see in every Java programming. Public static void main string args. And then we have the statements, which this is where we code This is where we command the Java program so it can understand and compile what we need them to do. Compilation flow. So this will be the last slide of my presentation. So this is the compilation flow of a Java code. So Java code, which is simple Java. Ah fuck, nawala ako. So this is a compilation flow. A compilation flow is a Java code and a compiler with a bytecode. So basically, Java code program, the thing you program, will insert it into compiler and interpret it in the bytecode. So as I said earlier, the system outprint, which is my command prompt from the Java system, will go to the compiler, so we can get the bytecode. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Stay Sigma.